me some drink.
These are our favorite.
Alright, hold up. I've done rating my subscribers. I've done it 3 different times, right? But I think we gotta switch it up. My whole channel has been consisting of perms and a lot of perm videos, so I thought might as well do a rating my subscribers perms, right? I brought my sister with me just so I'm not the only one rating, and I don't want to be, you know, maybe if it looks good and it's actually good, then we both agree on it, right?
Yeah.
But if it's bad, I think it's bad, but she thinks it's good, then you got 2 opinions. Me, I'm a dude, she's a girl. Girls like, do girls like curls?
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. Well, see, there you go.
Girls get the girls.
That's why I brought her in the video. But if y'all haven't yet, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. That's how I got all of these pictures from Instagram. So if you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram. Also, too, follow my backup because sometimes my main account messes up. And all my other social media on the screen right now. Before the video starts, make sure you drop a like, turn on the bell, subscribe if you haven't. Do all of that, bro. Y'all watch YouTube, y'all know how it works. I think we're just gonna look if it's like good or bad. Cause how are we gonna rate it 1 through 10? Like, oh, look, this curl's off. I think was it good or bad? All right, hopefully I screen recorded everything this time because usually I do be messing it up. So screen record is on. If it ever turns off, let me know, please. All right, so boom, Instagram requested DMs. I'm gonna go to my requests because that's where all of the Nico spazzing. Damn, fool looks grown. He's grown. What you think? You think it looks good straight out the shower?
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yo, I don't know how your hair looked before, but yo, no homo, I think you look good. Like, you look grown. Like, you gonna get the older ladies for sure, for sure. Like, you walk up in a club, say you're 21. I don't know how old you are, but
yeah,
for sure,
older.
He looks older.
It looks good though, I like it.
And the little, he's fresh, he's fresh. All right, Alex.
Looks nice.
Looks nice?
It looks kind of dry though. He needs some product.
He needs some product? All right, you heard her. Need some product. I think it looks good. I'm telling you, like, I really haven't seen.
Perms look really good on
I haven't, like, people, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna look good. I haven't seen no perms look bad on people. And bro, don't ever listen to people that are talking mess about your guys. It makes you look better. Like, if you like it, why would you care about what other people say? It's like, don't let people run your life. All right, my boy Playboy Ty. Okay, here's another thing. If you put like curly hair with a headband or like a bandana, like this dude is just fire. Like me,
automatically it looks good.
It
or
looks
with like
good.
A visor too.
Or a visor,
yeah.
Automatically. Like some of y'all ask me how to style my hair, either a headband or a visor.
And that's the quickest way too. It looks nice.
I think it looks good. But
I think he needs to curl it more.
Yeah, I think he has bigger curls, but I mean, maybe that's how he likes it. Mine, I need to get mine redone. People ask me, why does yours look? I need to get mine redone. I'm just waiting for my hair to grow some more, and then I'm gonna get it redone. I don't know if y'all wanna see every time I get my hair permed, do y'all wanna see that? Or, I don't know. Cause I was just gonna go and do it, not record it. But if y'all do, let me know. I just got my, all right, little noodles. Little noodles. Damn, okay, I see the fit. I see the fit. He got the clout.
Nice,
it looks good. Like, I'm telling you, it looks good. Like, it's just fire. I think it looks good. Alright. Next person. Yo, Christian. I mean, I can only see some and it's wet, but I guess it's good. You know, like, it's not a good picture. We need to see how it shapes your head and stuff. Wavy Gabe.
Ooh,
bro, do you want curly hair or wavy hair? Like, why is your name Wavy Gabe? I don't get it, but I think they're not bad. They're not bad. It's Jew. Here we go. I was explaining earlier. I think you got like, bro, I don't even know if that's, it looks like kind of like wavy, curly-ish.
Yeah,
like,
it does.
This one is like, I think you should get it redone, like tighter curls or something.
Yeah, tighter.
But I mean, guys, and keep in mind, like, I'm not a professional about perms or curl. I'm just saying what me and her feel. All right, don't.
No,
get
and
this.
also like, if you like it, then keep it. But we're just giving you like.
I'm just telling y'all my opinion. Yeah. This is my YouTube channel. I can post whatever the fuck I want, right? So I'm posting whatever I want. All right. All right, here we go. Kid X Benji, he be showing love on Instagram.
Yeah, I remember him.
He be showing love everywhere, bro. Thank you. And Kid X Benji.
Those are nice. I feel like he needs to get them tighter though.
Tighter? I was gonna say cut the size, like get a fade.
Oh yeah, but I like them tighter for some reason. But it still looks nice though. I still like it.
I think it looks good. George.
His looks wavy.
Yo, this is an example. I don't want to say it's bad, but I think you should get your curls redone. I think you should get your hair redone, my guy. It looks a little like you got good length, but you need to get tighter curls for sure.
Oh yeah, he has good length.
And this over here looks kind of flat. I'm not sure if like, I'm just trying to help you, alright? But this over here looks kind of flat. Alright. Can you put me in the video? Yo, bro, you're in the video. He has like almost orangish, reddish hair. I think it looks good. Maybe a little tighter curls. I think y'all should be.
A little fade on the side too, because he has a lot of hair.
A little fade. Damn, my boy got a lot of hair. I think this is a cool style too. Like, you got a lot of hair and the curls just.
I like it. It would look nice with the visor too if you put a visor on.
I think these are fire, dog. Yo, if I'm sweating, it's because these chips are hot as hell. Junior.
You can't really tell.
I think you just need to grow your hair out more, man. I'm subscribed with notifications on and never skipped. And yo, thank you so much, bro. I appreciate it. I think you should get your hair redone though, bro. Like, I'm just being honest. I'm trying to help y'all. Cause like your front part right here looks straight. So I think you should get your curls redone. Get tighter curls, either the white or the gray rod. But I think a perm will suit you well. Like, you just need to get it redone. This is for your perm video. Yeah, this one's fire. This one's fire. I mean, this one is dope. I like it, bro.
I like it.
I think it looks good.
Nice.
But with something I'm gonna do a video on soon. I think you should work on these right here, my guy. I think you should work on the eyebrows. I'm not trying to, bro, I'm keeping in mind, I'm just trying to help y'all. Clean eyebrows, bro. Girls like clean eyebrows. Mine, I haven't got them done. I usually get them done every 3 weeks. I need to get them done soon. But if you got cleaned up your eyebrows, fire, bro, fire. Yo, my boy Garrett.
Garrett.
Took this in a movie theater after, so. Yo, I think your perms look.
I like it.
I mean, your curls look fire, bro.
They look real good. They look like yours, kind of.
Yo, what product do you use? Cause yours look good, like for real. I'm not even gonna lie.
It looks really
They
good.
might even look better than mine. Next person, who's this? Lil RJ, you got the tight curls.
Yeah.
But yo,
really
these
curly.
Yeah, these are good too.
I like them.
They're good, dog. Ethan, my boy Ethan. Look, bro, they look good on everyone. I bet you Ethan had straight hair and he looked like.
Yeah, it looks like he did have straight.
And then he got this and all the girls probably hit him up. Now I'm not even gonna lie.
Those are nice.
Fern, you got good.
Those are real.
But y'all be getting y'all stuff good. Rainy. Not bad, Rainy.
I feel like they need to be curlier though.
Yeah, I think you need to.
The top is like flat.
Yeah, I think you need to get them redone, Rainy. My boy Wyatt. Did mine make the video?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog. Those are good. Those are good. You put in some product, I think they'll be a little bit better. Thomas.
Ooh, I like his hair. They're really curly and long though.
Yeah, Thomas. Yo, dog, when's the last time you got your hair repermed though? Because I think. Yeah, you got some straight parts.
Yeah, he needs to be permanent.
But once you get it redone, bro, it'll be fire. Like fire. Like for real, for real. Gio Garcia. What you think?
They're not really curly. They're like wavy.
Bro, she said it.
But I feel like it'll fit him real good. And his eyebrows are nice.
Guys, I'm telling y'all, should I do a video on eyebrows? Like for real, cause I get mine done every 3 weeks. And like I know a lot of y'all be like, yo, guys get their, like some of y'all don't even know. Curls for sure, they get girls. But I think personally, what do you think? Like if a guy has nice eyebrows, is that dope?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't really
it's good when guys like keep up with themselves and when they're not like musty and just, you know.
Like it's not a necessity, but just get them cleaned up, like not bushy and not like just, I don't know. If y'all want to see a video on what I do, let me know. Let me know.
And who you go to?
Yeah, if you're in San Antonio, I'll show you who I go to. Make sure you like the video. If you were in the video, man, you better like it, dog. I put you in the video. It's gonna get easy 10,000 views.
Like and comment.
I know this video is gonna get 10,000 views for sure, so make sure y'all like and comment, all right? Who is this? My boy, Neri. I don't know how to say it. What you think?
I like his. His are nice. Let me see the other one. I like this video. Yeah, those are nice.
Fire, dog. No homo either, man. I'm just saying. I'm letting y'all know, like, curve. He got the curve.
This looks natural.
I know he got the tightest ones. I feel like he just has already. Let me see, bro. I think he already had natural curls. Oh shoot, his hair is kind of like. He had like kind of wavy hair, but yo, that's dope. They look natural as hell. I'm not even gonna lie. A famous person just replied, guys. I'm not famous yet. But you know, one day I might have.
Yeah, he got me.
What you think?
I like him.
Like it?
They look nice.
Fire.
I like the first picture though.
Luis, boy. Boy. See, bro, I need subscribers like this that are funny, even like, bro. That's good. That's good. They're fire.
I like them.
Gio, nice. My boy Gio.
Oh yeah, I like those.
I know you get the girls.
I don't know.
Jose. Yeah. Okay, my boy Drip Michael. Dang boy, like I don't even have that much hair in the back. This fool got the whole little mosey curls.
I like it. He has a lot of hair.
Yeah, these are fire. Those are fire. Yo, but this was just a little quick video just to show y'all some love. I was gonna say hospitality, but not just some love back to put you on the video. And let me. I wanted to see how y'all's perms be looking. Not too many of them look bad, so y'all doing good. Y'all follow the video, the rules, steps good. I've been doing good. I wanted to know. Make sure, I don't know what product to use yet because I've been switching around and I'm trying to find the best product. But for the most part, y'all hair been looking good. What you think?
Yeah, I like most of them. Most of them look real good on guys. I like them.
But I think one of the next videos I'm gonna make is about eyebrows. Eyebrows are super important. But this is the thing, once you get them done, you're gonna have to get them done like every 2 to 3 weeks. So it's either you get them done or you don't. But yeah, let me know if I should do that video. Drop a like, drop a comment if you haven't. And before y'all go, should Gemini make a YouTube channel?
I'm debating because I don't know. But if y'all think I should, comment down below and give me like some suggestions.
Should she? And if she does, y'all better subscribe. She's gonna be making all the girl videos, you know, like get ready with me, story times.
Oh yeah, I have a lot of good ones. Coming soon. I'm just kidding.
I'm just kidding, but yeah.
We should do a whole series.
We could, like 5 video series, you know, breaking down the, no, I'm just kidding. On some NBA freaking radio, UFC analysis. We can do that, I'm just kidding. But yeah, if you got me yet, make sure to like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and we out.